What is up, guys? So my fellow Spartan, today I'm going to show you two different starter clutch. Now the one I'm going to show you can only be purchased from China. As of right now, count this date when this video is posted, there has been no US sellers to my knowledge whatsoever that has known about this. Now you see that little dirty blue rag? I always use these kind of towel when I'm doing engine works. I usually use acetone to clean the oil excess from the engine. That way I can put the seal in, so that's why it's that dirty. And whenever I take out a part that is still useful, I usually wrap it around it, because this is metal and there's no other material that can hold on to the grip of this other than a rag. Now this one is from Glaxo, right? This is called a high performance starter clutch. Well, my ass high performance. As you can see, it's easy to take out, right? Watch this. Whop. And what you have here, a magnet bearing, nothing else. Am I missing something here? Oh, I'm not missing anything, right? They're just magnet bearing. Now as time went on, these little bearings are gonna be removed. Well, these little magnets alignment are gonna be gone, and what you're gonna have on your engine is a free spin. It's gonna go like, and you think that you have a starter motor problem. Well, really, it was the starter clutch. Now let's get on to the real deal here. One hand to videotape. Alright. You can see this is fresh out of the box from you guys. Let me see if I can pause this. Nope, I don't need to pause it. Just need to. If I had one hand, it could have worked fine. Alright, well, I was wrong. We could have that plastic bubble for these clutch. Alright, so this one is the everlasting starter clutch. This one lasts forever. This one doesn't have any magnets. This has real ball bearings, similar to how you will find it on your transmission set. Alright. So let me just there it is. We can see this. Not sure you can see this. High definition. Alright, that's what HDV means. And this can't be removed whatsoever. I can guarantee you that. So now you tell me which is the different. I'm gonna put this back together, right? And no, one does not weight heavier than the other. They're about the same weight. It's just that this guy right here is pure bearing. The oil's gonna pass here, so this is gonna be forever. And this guy right here is just magnet. Alright? This is them from the opposite session. Now, because I'm nice, I'm going to link a video of how it is on the engine when you're installing it. And you figure it out, right? But this is it. This is the real starter clutch. You want this guy, and you want to remove this guy. But this is still good though. Just that this one will last forever.